Oke, vaksin murni. Indonesian Muslim must participate in the COVID-19 vaccination program. Yeah, he said during the Friday briefing. Okay, so so please read this paragraph. This is the explanation from the AstraZeneca, Ms. Eka. Please read this paragraph, Ms. Eka.
Circulating statement reported to be from AstraZeneca Indonesia showed that the form said the vaccine did not contain any components, let alone pigs, as it had been allowed for use in Muslim countries and by Islamic groups abroad, according to news reports. AstraZeneca Indonesia was not immediately available for campaign.
Yes. Yeah. Do you understand, Ms. Eka, of this paragraph? Do you understand the purpose of this paragraph?
Iya, intinya AstraZeneca vaksin ini tidak mengandung produk dari hewan atau babi dan dapat digunakan untuk negara Muslim.
Yes.
Betul ya?
Yes.
Negara besar mungkin banyak gitu deh.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah. And by Islamic board abroad, ya, dan oleh Islamic board abroad, ya, negara Muslim luar negeri, ya, abroad is luar negeri, Islamic boards, ya, meaning is tempat-tempat Muslim, tempat-tempat Muslim abroad, ya, luar negeri, atau negara-negara Muslim luar negeri. According to the news reports, yes, AstraZeneca Indonesia was not immediately, ya, AstraZeneca Indonesia tidak dengan segera, ya, immediately dengan segera, ya, available, ya, tersedia for comments, tidak tersedia untuk komen saat ini, ya, it's not comment, it's not for comment. Actually, ya, does the AstraZeneca already allowed, ya, the Muslim, actually the vaccination for the Muslim countries. Ya. So the product, ya, did not contain any product from animal, ya, let alone pigs, ya, seperti babi itu sendiri. It's not contain that, ya, as it had been allowed, ya, diizinkan for use in Muslim countries, ya, sebagaimana itu diizinkan digunakan di negara-negara Islam, ya, and by Islamic board abroad, dan tempat-tempat Islam luar negeri. Okay. So, Ms. Eka, you understood?
Kalau let
Yes.
alone pigs apa tadi?
Sebagaimana babi itu sendiri, ya, alone is sendiri. Sebagaimana babi itu sendiri, ya, alone is sendiri. Ya, let alone pigs, sebagaimana hewan itu sendiri, babi itu sendiri. Pigs. Ya, a pork daging babi, ya, pork. But if babi is pigs. Pork, ya, pork is a daging babi.
Berarti tidak mengandung seluruh bagian.
Yes, yes. So did not contain any products from animals. Yeah, because, yeah, this is allowed for use in Muslim countries. Diizinkan digunakan di negara-negara Islam. So did not contain that for the AstraZeneca. The first, ya, use, ya, pertama kali dipakai, digunakan, tapi setelah akan digunakan di negara-negara Islam itu tidak dipakai untuk pigs tadi, untuk pork, ya, daging babi tadi yang digunakan untuk mengantar tripsin, jadi ribet mengantar tripsin tadi, ya, tidak digunakan lagi. Karena kan tripsinnya itu diambil dari daging babi kan sebelumnya, karena tripsin ini nanti untuk mencegah protein-protein di dalam usus kecil. Tapi setelah AstraZeneca ini akan digunakan di negara-negara Islam, ya, maka, ya, tidak memakai lagi, ya, karena because Miss Eka, because Malaysia also contract to AstraZeneca, ya, Malaysia and also Australia, Miss Eka. Australia also contract to AstraZeneca vaccine. and also United States and some countries in the Middle East. So in the Muslim countries, and also Indonesia. Indonesia also the biggest Muslim country in the world. The biggest Muslim country in the world is Indonesia. Indonesia also. Okay. So do you have any question, Ms. Eka, for this paragraph? Do you have? Yes. Okay. Ms. Eka, please read this paragraph, one paragraph of this, Ms. Eka, or written statement.
Written statement circulated by
Yes, yes. By the COVID-19 handling.
Written statement circulated by the COVID-19 handling and national economic comparison on Sunday, Erlangga University epidemiologist M. Athoillah Ispandi said the vaccine was only used in the early stage of the vaccine development and was not in the end product, hence it should be halal.
Okay, okay. So we got the conclusion of this paragraph, Ms. Eka. Yeah. So this is a written statement circulated by the COVID-19 handling and National Economic Recovery Team. On Sunday, cited, mengutip. Cited is mengutip. Erlangga University epidemiologist. Epidemiologist Erlangga University. Muhammad Athoillah Ispandi, who said, yang telah mengatakan the porcine trypsin babi, porcine ini saya berkenaan dengan daging babi, trypsin daging babi, was not only used, telah tidak digunakan, was only used, hanya digunakan in the early stage, di dalam tahapan awal. Same like you, Ms. Eka, you said that you will actually the Sinovac will must have 3 stages. You said to me like that in the early. Must have the 3 stages. So this is the first stage in the early stage of AstraZeneca. Use the porcine trypsin. The first the early stage of the vaccine development, and was not contained in the end product, but in the end product was not contained porcine trypsin anymore. Was not contained anymore. Hence, hence the meaning is karenanya. You can write down this is hence, and the meaning is karenanya. Karenanya, it should be halal. Karenanya itu seharusnya halal. Hence the meaning is karenanya. Okay, Ms. Eka, so do you understand of this paragraph, Ms. Eka? Do you understand?
Yes. Untuk porcine trypsin itu digunakan pada awal development, pada awal pembuatan pertama vaksin. Tapi setelahnya tidak mengandung trypsin pada setelah tahapan development sampai akhir development tidak menggunakan trypsin lagi. Hanya digunakan pada awal-awal.
Yes, that's the point, Ms. Eka. And that's the points of this
Cuman,
actually.
Tapi kan apa ya? Nggak tahu sini pemikiran saya aja ya. Tapi kan alat yang dipakai untuk membuat itu kan nggak tahu kan, kita kan sebagai Muslim kan kalau misalnya misalnya itu pakai babi atau tersentuh apa kan harus disucikan. Kita nggak tahu kan, dia disucikan apa nggak tahu juga sih.
Yes. Sometimes has the controversy of that, perdebatan, controversies, about the tools.
Karena because in my factory kan because I use halal tools for our goods, jadi pisah gitu. Jadi mereka pada saat itu pakai yang ada kan, kita juga ada trypsin, tapi pada saat tahap kedua itu alatnya beda, benar-benar sudah terpisah dengan trypsin tadi itu ada gitu. Harusnya seperti itu gitu, tapi kan kita nggak tahu untuk di luar negeri seperti apa.
Yes. Yeah, so that's also good. Yeah, that's also a good point. Yeah, even yeah, this is already administered halal. Yeah, but how about the tools? Yeah, the tools actually the first stage was sorry, use the trypsin. Yeah, use the trypsin for the sorry porcine trypsin.
Yes.
Yeah, use the porcine trypsin. Yeah, the first stage.
Yes.
Yeah, but how about the next stage? Yeah, when it already administered halal, ya, di administrasi halal, that still use, yeah, still use the tool like the same stage or different tools like that. Yeah, that's the actually the most important. They must
Yes.
use yeah the different tools, yeah, for halal. Yeah. The new tools, yeah, that administered for the halal methods. Yeah, because we don't know the implementation, yeah, in abroad. Yeah, that's correct, Ms. Eka. We don't know the implementation in abroad. Yeah, implementation prakteknya. Okay, in abroad. Okay, so Ms. Eka, can you please make conclusions of this usage, Ms. Eka? Can you say it in English, Ms. Eka, of this AstraZeneca vaccine?
Maybe I will focus on this discussion. Indonesia is already of the COVID-19 vaccine made by British rabies from AstraZeneca and BDOM said it's safe to use. And AstraZeneca can be used for people aged 18 years and above with interval of between 8 and 12 weeks. All efficacy of 6.21%. MUI has issued an edict strongly recommending to use, although the department head Ashorum Niam Soleh made a point to note it was haram and forbidden in Islam because it was processed with pork vaccine. It administered
Yes.
to the emergency situation. The fatal risk if people are not vaccinated and there is no supply of our vaccine. AstraZeneca Indonesia did not contain products from animal, let alone pigs, and as it had been allowed for use in Muslim country and by Islamic courts abroad. And
Yes.
the last conclusion is porcine was only used in the early stage of the vaccine in the end product and it should be halal.
Yes.
Maybe
Yeah.
that is for my
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all, Ms. Eka. Yeah, that's so a lot. Yeah. So yeah, so yeah, I think you understood of this news actually, Ms. Eka. Yeah. So yeah, the vaccine, yeah, that should be halal because it not contain any porcine trypsin. Okay, so this is okay. Actually, we have one participant, people 1611. Hello, can you please open your speaker, please? People 1611. Okay. Okay, before we close our learning this Eka, this is I will read this, yeah, for the last. This is the conclusion also. Yeah, the health ministry will work with the MUI, yeah, Indonesian Ulama or Indonesian Ulama, and its local council as well as local administration to boost people. What is the meaning, Miss Eka? To boost people, confidence. Boost is a mendorong, mendongkrak.
Mendorong kepercayaan diri orang-orang.
Yes, mendorong kepercayaan or confidence, ya, keyakinan, ya, ya, to boost people confidence, ya, kepercayaan diri orang-orang. Ya, that's also same in the AstraZeneca vaccine. According to the ministry spokesperson Siti Nadia Tarmizi, the vaccine will be used on the second priority group in region set to accelerate untuk mempercepat their vaccination program. Program vaksinasinya as Bali to support its tourism. Seperti Bali untuk mendukung its tourism, tourismnya. Yes, because Bali also the most important region in Indonesia, Miss Eka. Because since the pandemics of COVID-19, Bali doesn't have any tourism, Miss Eka, because some countries also locked down around the world. So Bali only no tourism visit to Bali. So that's why the government accelerate the vaccination program, especially in Bali. Accelerate, mempercepat the vaccination program. Okay, so Miss Eka, do you have any questions before we close our learning this afternoon, Miss Eka? Okay, yes. So I wish you can join again for the next class, Miss Eka, for tomorrow meeting class, and the next. Or if you have, yes.
Yeah, okay. Maybe for this week I can join on Saturday and Sunday if you have class.
Yes. Yeah. You can join also on. Okay.
Because tomorrow till Friday I have full time with our team in project, so I cannot join in your class. I'm sorry for last minute because for cancel.
Okay, no problem. Yes, no problem. Yeah, actually last night I told to Miss Lala. Yeah, I told her that actually Miss Eka would join the class for this evening, Miss Lala. Yeah, would join for actually at 7 p.m. for the class. Yeah, but actually she cannot join in this evening. Yeah, maybe Miss Eka busy at this time. I told to Miss Lala like that. Yeah, I told her also. Yeah, so no problem, Miss Eka. Yes, no problem. Yeah, actually, you can join for Saturday and Sunday. It's our class. Yeah, so we will have speaking class with others. Yeah, because probably you busy for your projects at this time. Probably for the vaccination rollout program, probably for the vaccination rollout, distribusi, rollout also the distribusi for the vaccinations. Yeah, because I got the news that Indonesia also will accelerate the vaccination program, because next month will be fasting month. Yeah, so Indonesia has the accelerate program for the vaccination before fasting month, and after that mudik, mudik for the Lebaran day.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because our company will develop from UGM and UGM program about alat kesehatan untuk seperti like a rapid
the tools, the healthy tools, the healthy equipments,
yes, kayak yes, like antigen, but not antigen, and mendukung program pemerintah kan
to
itu
support,
harganya lebih murah,
to support
dengan harga 5.000.
Yes, to support the government program.
About yes, alat untuk mendeteksi, tools for detection of COVID-19, and for the price is very cheap. It's about 5,000 rupiah, and now we are development for that, and maybe take time about maximum we only have time for 1 year. So for this project, I have a full time for
yes, understood.
apa namanya